Your ChatGPT account contains important data and preferences, so keeping it secure is crucial. Yeah, account breaches can happen, but with the right precautions, you can stay safe. In this guide, I'll show you how to protect your ChatGPT account in 2026. First things first, use a strong, unique password that's different from your other accounts. Include uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Avoid obvious passwords like birthdays or common words. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Even if someone gets your password, 2FA ensures they can't access your account without your second verification method. Regularly check your account for unusual activity. Look for unknown devices or logins. If something seems off, change your password immediately. Phishing is a big risk. Don't click suspicious links or share your password in emails or chats. Always verify the sender before entering your login information. Ensure your computer, phone, or tablet has up-to-date antivirus software, firewalls, and system updates. A secure device reduces the risk of account breaches. Always log out from public or shared devices. Even if you trust the device, logging out prevents others from accessing your account accidentally. Use a password manager to safely store and generate complex passwords. This keeps your credentials secure and easy to manage. And that's it. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, monitor activity, avoid phishing, secure your devices, log out, and consider a password manager. Follow these steps, and your ChatGPT account will stay safe and secure.